Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about Open HRMS Custody Module. So Open HRMS is an open source HR management solutions that helps in managing as well as it helps in envision building up a happier workspace. So with Open HRMS, we have a wide varieties of modules that helps in efficiently managing as well as solving every major issues or hurdles that you face in your HR management paths. So in this module or in this video, we are going to discuss about the Open HRMS Custody module. So here you can see when you install the Open HRMS Custody module from the App Store, you will able to see this module over here. So this is the module we can say. So with custody module, it is basically, we can say the ultimate solutions for a transparent custody of a company resources. So in order to make use of the company resources by the employees, we can use this module called as the custody module. So here you can see you have the different options to create the custody request, then also have the reporting section and also have the options to mention the property. So from here you can just create the custody. So basically with this module, what we are aiming is to provide a transparent solutions for our employee to make use of their company resources. So we can say like that. So this is the form view we can say for the custody module. And here itself, you can see we have the different stages. So basically the employee can create a request and send it to the corresponding concerned person in order to make use of the corresponding resources that they want from the company. So here suppose you can mention the employee name, and here you can also mention the property that you want. So here you can see currently I have mentioned some of the properties over here. So here you can mention the properties over here, and here also you can mention the reasons for why you are making or creating this kind of request. You can mention the reason also. So here you also have the option to mention the requested date as well as the return date options are also there. And similarly, here you have the other options to provide the internal note that is regarding the corresponding custody that you are creating. So suppose here you can mention any of the reasons. So suppose here you can mention any of the reasons like that, and here you can mention the note that is corresponding to your custody, and you can just save this. Before that you have to mention the return date also. So suppose if my providing my return date on 7th, so if I save this, then you can see currently it is in the draft state, and corresponding note you can see it is being created in this chapter, that is HR custody management is created. So here other next option would be it to send an approval. So when you click on this, automatically you can see the approval will be sent to that corresponding concerned person. So right now I have logged in as the Michelle admin itself, so that's why he is getting the option to see that is whether to approve or refuse that. So similarly other employees can also do that, create the request for custody and send it to the corresponding concerned person. So suppose if we approve this, you can see the state changed into approve. So now you can see here in the chatter box also you can see the status is being changed to the approved state. So this is how what we can, or we can create the custody, or we can make use of our company resources in this way. So basically we can say that with Odoo we don't have this, Odoo lacks a provisions for this keeping the company resource and all. So for this we have created the module called as custody module. So with that itself we have the certain other options by send by mail and renew options and all. So this is how you can create a custody request from here. And then we are having the options of reporting where you can have a clear cut custody analysis. So here you can see you have the different options over here. So based upon employee also you can see the custody analysis can be done, and here you also have the different filters as well as group by options, so where you can apply different filters to make your reporting more informative and all. So here you have the different options that is related to custody itself, that is regarding the reasons, property name and all. So these are regarding the reporting or custody analysis. So as I told you, we also have the options to create the properties from here. So the options that we are getting while creating the custody request, that is to select the property, so those properties can be created from here. So here simply you can create the property. You have to just mention the name and also have the different sets of options to mention the property form. So here you can mention the property and create a new property within your system. So this is how we can say that employee can request for having the access to the company resources. So using this module called, that is Open HRMS Custody module, our employee can easily use the company resources. So thank you for watching this video.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, just drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.